If you want to change your Google Chrome search engine to Yahoo, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can switch your default search engine in just a few moments. This is useful if you prefer Yahoo for your searches, or if you simply want a different search experience in Chrome. And if this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From the drop-down list, click Settings. This will open the Chrome Settings page where you can manage all kinds of browser preferences. Now look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Search Engine. This is the section that controls which search engine Chrome uses in the address bar. Once you're inside the search engine settings, look for the option that lets you change or manage your default search engine. Click the Change button. A list of available search engines will appear. From that list, select Yahoo. After selecting Yahoo, click Set as Default. This tells Chrome to use Yahoo whenever you type something into the address bar and press Enter. If you want to double-check that everything worked, you can open a new tab and type a search term into the address bar. You should now see Yahoo results instead of Google. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Chrome search engine to Yahoo. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.